You know how sometimes you look in the mirror, look at yourself, and think, something's not right? Sometimes all you need is a little bit of edge. Just a little bit.
But you know I gotta let you go. You've been dismissing me maliciously, and I can't do this anymore. You got 1 second to leave, or I got 1 shot to prove. You got 2 chances from me. Now who that make me? I'm a fool. So baby, if you want me, why? Baby, if you want me, cry. Baby, get on your knees and beg me, please, 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 please.